Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where let's just say we're about to decode a very special announcement today, one that might make you think about where your money is going. So, Ondas Holdings Incorporated just dropped some news, and it is all about a new investment that has got people buzzing.
We're going to dive into what this means for the company and the folks invested in it. We also have a Discord community linked in the description below if you want to chat more about these deep dives.
All right. So what we have here is a Form 8. Think of this as a company basically saying, hey, something important just happened, and we need to tell everyone right now. It is like a breaking news announcement for the stock market world.
This particular report is dated the 20th of October of 2025. And the big news story is about an investment in another company called Safe Pro Group Incorporated.
This part is all about a thing called Regulation FD disclosure. Basically, it means companies have to share important information with everyone at the same time. They can't tell some people before others. It is all about fairness.
So, the big news is that Eric Brock, who is the Chief Executive Officer, or CEO, of Ondas Holdings Incorporated, spoke out about their recent investment. And this investment is in a company called Safe Pro Group Incorporated. Now, Safe Pro, they do cool stuff with artificial intelligence, or AI, and they focus on defense and security solutions.
Think of them as a high-tech company helping keep things safe.
To get more details, they've attached a press release directly from Safe Pro. This press release is also dated the 20th of October, 2025. So it seems like this whole announcement happened on the same day. Now, we can't do a big Warren Buffett-style deep dive into profit margins or revenue growth over years, but we can talk about what this investment signals for Ondas Holdings Incorporated and what it might mean for their future strategy.
Ondas Holdings Incorporated does have common stock par value $0.001, which basically means they have shares of ownership that people can buy and sell on the stock market. Their stock is traded under the ticker symbol ONS on the Nasdaq Stock Market, LLC. So, why would Ondas Holdings invest in an AI-powered defense and security company like Safe Pro?
This tells us a story about where Ondas is trying to go. It suggests they see a future in this technology. Investing in AI, especially in defense and security, is a big move. These are complex and often very profitable industries. It is like they're betting on the future becoming more high-tech and secure. This could mean a few things. First,
Ondas Holdings might be looking to expand its own offerings into these areas, perhaps by integrating Safe Pro's technology, or by using it as a foundation for new products. Second, it could be a strategic move to gain a foothold in strong growing markets. AI and defense technology are projected to see significant growth in the coming years. However, it is important to remember that investing in new technologies, especially in highly regulated fields like defense, comes with its own set of risks. There are always research and development costs, competition from other companies, and regulatory hurdles to overcome. Also, the success of this investment, and by extension Ondas Holdings, will depend heavily on how well Safe Pro Group Incorporated performs.
what is also interesting is that this comes from the CEO himself. When the top leader of a company talks about a specific investment, it usually means it is a big part of their strategic thinking. It is not just a small side project, it is likely a key piece of their future plans. Let's look ahead. For Ondas Holdings, this investment could be a significant step toward diversification or specialization. Depending on what Ondas Holdings does currently,
Moving into AI defense solutions is either a leap into a new and exciting sector or a strengthening of an existing focus. We'd need to know more about Ondas Holdings' core business to say for sure, but the move itself signals ambition and a look towards future technological trends. Now, looking at this announcement more broadly,
Ondas Holdings Incorporated seems to be making a move that reflects a broader trend in the business world. Companies are increasingly looking to artificial intelligence for innovation and growth. By investing in Safe Pro Group Incorporated, Ondas is signaling that they are not willing to be left behind in this technological race. This type of investment can be a double-edged sword. On one hand, it can lead to substantial returns if Safe Pro Group Incorporated becomes a leader in its field. On the other hand, if the technology does not mature as expected, or if competition intensifies, the investment might not yield the desired results. It is a calculated risk, and its success will depend on many external factors, like market demand, technological advancements, and the competitive landscape within the AI and defense sectors. We will definitely be keeping an eye on Ondas Holdings Incorporated and Safe Pro Group Incorporated to see how this partnership unfolds. Right now,
This is more about a strategic direction than a detailed financial performance review. But it is a significant indicator of where the company is heading. All right, that is our quick decode of this Ondas Holdings Incorporated filing. It is clear they are making a strategic move into the AI defense and security space.
This could be a fantastic opportunity for growth or a risky venture depending on market dynamics and execution. What is your take on Ondas Holdings' investment in Safe Pro Group? Do you think this is a smart move? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps. And subscribe for more corporate deep dives.
don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.